Students, we shall continue with the exercise problems on Lagrange's linear partial differential equations. Question number 4. Solve x into y square minus z square into p plus y into z square minus x square into q minus z into x square minus y square equal to 0. We can take this partial differential equation as x into y square minus z square p plus y into z square minus x square q equal to z into x square minus y square. This equation is of the form P into P plus Q into Q equal to R. So it represents Lagrange's linear partial differential equation where P is x into y square minus z square and Q is y into z square minus x square and R is z into x square minus y square. And we write the auxiliary equations as dx by p equal to dy by q equal to dz by r. That will be dx divided by x into y square minus z square equal to dy divided by y into z square minus x square equal to dz divided by z into x square minus y square. We'll take it as equation 1. Now here we can solve this by taking multipliers. We shall take the multiplier x, y, z. When we take the multipliers x, y, z, here first ratio is multiplied by x, second ratio both numerator and denominator multiplied by y. For the third ratio numerator and denominator is multiplied by z. Then we are adding all the three ratios. When we add all the three ratios, in the denominator we will get 0. So let us see how we can write the solution now. Using multipliers x, y, z, each ratio in equation 1 is equal to x into dx plus y into dy plus z into dz divided by x into x, that will be x square into y square minus z square plus y square into z square minus x square plus z into z, that is z square into x square minus y square. That will be x dx plus y dy plus z dz. This is 0. That is divided by 0. Now to find the solution, we write the equation x dx plus y dy plus z dz equal to 0. So we can integrate this. Integration of x dx plus integration of y dy plus integration of z dz equal to integration constant c, or integration of x is x square by 2, next plus y square by 2 plus z square by 2 equal to c. Or we can write it as x square plus y square plus z square equal to 2c. It is of the form u is equal to constant. The first relation is u equal to constant, where u is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. We'll try to find one more multiplier by taking multiplier 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z. Let us find the ratio. By taking 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z, each ratio in equation 1. Here first ratio is multiplied by 1 by x. So it is 1 by x dx, then here 1 by y dy plus 1 by z dz. In the denominator also we multiply 1 by x for the first ratio. So x gets cancelled. Second ratio is multiplied by 1 by y gets cancelled. Third ratio is multiplied by 1 by z, so z gets cancelled. Then when we add this, y square minus z square plus z square minus x square plus x square minus y square, all terms gets cancelled, so it becomes 0. So by taking multipliers 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z, we obtain 1 by x dx plus 1 by y dy plus 1 by z dz divided by 0. Now we write 1 by x dx plus 1 by y dy plus 1 by z dz equal to 0. On integrating this, we obtain integration of 1 by x dx, that is log x, integration of 1 by y dy is log y, integration of 1 by z dz is log z. We take integration constant as log c1. Now it will be log of x y z, because log a plus log b plus log c is log a b c. So left hand side is log x y z, right hand side is log c1, or we can take it as x y z equal to c1. So the second relation is v is equal to c1. So we have obtained two relations, u is equal to c1 and v is equal to c2. Then we write the solution as, general solution is phi of u comma v equal to 0, where u is x square plus y square plus z square and v is equal to x, y, z. Now let us work out the next question. It is question number 5. Solve x into p minus y into q equal to y square minus x square. The given equation is of the form p into p plus q into q equal to r. So this represents Lagrange's linear partial differential equation, where p is equal to x and q is equal to minus y and r will be y square minus x square. We write the auxiliary equations as dx by p equal to dy by q equal to dz by r, or dx by x equal to dy by minus y equal to dz by y square minus x square. Now here we can take the first two pairs or first two ratios, because we have dx by x equal to dy by minus y. By taking first two ratios, we can find one relation, that is dx by x equal to dy by minus y. On integrating this, we obtain integration of 1 by x with respect to x is log x equal to minus integration of dy by y is log y, plus we take integration constant as log c1. That will be log x equal to, here we have log c minus log y, and log c minus log y is log c1 minus log y, that is log c1 by y. Or we can write x is equal to c1 by y, or x into y is equal to c1. c1 is constant. This relation is of the form u is equal to constant, or u is equal to c1. So u is xy. Next we find v. Here it is not possible to get the second solution by taking the remaining ratios. So if you take the remaining ratios, we cannot find the solution by integration. Now let us solve by taking multipliers. We take the multipliers as xy1, because when we take multipliers xy1, here we multiply this relation by multipliers xy1. So here it becomes x dx plus y dy plus 1 into dz. So x dx plus y dy plus 1 into dz. In the denominator we get x into x, it will be x square. Then minus y into y, it becomes y square. Next multiplier 1. So when we multiply 1 here, it becomes y square minus x square. So all these terms gets cancelled. We will get 0. So we take multiplier as xy1. Then we obtain x dx plus y dy plus dz divided by x square minus y square plus y square minus x square, that is x dx plus y dy plus dz divided by 0. Or we can take x dx plus y dy plus dz equal to 0. On integration, we write the solution as x square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus z is equal to c2. Or you can multiply by 2. So when we multiply by 2, the equation becomes x square plus y square plus 2z equal to 2c2, where 2c2 is constant. Now this is of the form v is equal to constant. So after getting the two relations, we write the general solution as phi of u comma v equal to 0. So we write the general solution as phi of u is xy, and v is x square plus y square plus 2z equal to 0. Now we'll work out the next question. It is question number 6. Solve x into y square plus z into p minus y into x square plus z into q equal to z into x square minus y square. We can observe that the given equation is of the form p into p plus q into q equal to r, where p is x into y square plus z and q is equal to minus y into x square plus z and r is equal to z into x square minus y square. We write the auxiliary equations as dx by p equal to dy by q equal to dz by r. That will be dx divided by x into y square plus z equal to dy divided by minus y into x square plus z and dz divided by z into x square minus y square. We'll take it as equation number 1. Now, here we cannot solve the equations directly by taking any two ratios. So we will solve by taking the multipliers. Take the multiplier as xy minus 1. So when we take the multiplier xy minus 1, each ratio in equation 1 is x into dx plus y into dy minus 1 into dz, that is minus dz, divided by x into x y square plus z, that will be x square into y square plus z, plus y into this, that is minus y square into x square plus z, then minus 1 into this, that is minus z into x square minus y square. Here all the terms gets cancelled. X square y square minus x square y square plus x square z minus x square z, then remaining two terms minus y square z plus y square z. It is 0. So we obtain x dx plus y dy minus dz divided by 0. That will be x dx plus y dy minus dz equal to 0. On integrating this, we write x square by 2 plus y square by 2 minus z equal to c1, or we take x square plus y square minus 2z equal to 2c1. So here we take this solution as u is equal to constant. Let us find one more relation v is equal to constant by choosing the other multiplier. We take the multiplier as 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z. Using multiplier 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z, each ratio in equation 1 is 1 by x dx plus 1 by y dy plus 1 by z dz divided by 1 by x into y square plus z plus 1 by y into minus y into x square plus z plus 1 by z into x square minus y square. Then we write denominator y square plus z minus x square minus z plus x square minus y square, that will be 0. Now we write the equation 1 by x dx plus 1 by y dy plus 1 by z dz equal to 0. On integrating this, we obtain log x plus log y plus log z equal to log c2, or we write it as log of xyz equal to log c2 or xyz equal to c2. This is of the form v is equal to constant. So second relation is v is equal to constant, where v is equal to xyz. Now the solution of, or the general solution of the given equation is phi of u comma v equal to 0. That is phi of x square plus y square minus 2z comma xyz equal to 0. Problem number 7 is solve mz minus ny into dou z by dou x plus nx minus lz into dou z by dou y equal to ly minus mx. The given partial differential equation is mz minus ny into p, where p is dou z by dou x, then plus nx minus lz into q equal to ly minus mx. The given equation is of the form p into p plus q into q equal to r, where p is mz minus ny and q is equal to nx minus lz and r is equal to ly minus mx. Now we write the auxiliary equations as dx by p equal to dy by q equal to dz by r. That is dx by mz minus ny equal to dy by nx minus lz equal to dz divided by ly minus mx. We'll take it as equation number 1. And here we cannot find the solutions by taking any two ratios. So we try to solve by taking multipliers. We take multipliers xyz. Using multipliers xyz, each ratio in equation 1 is x into dx plus y into dy plus z into dz divided by x into mz minus ny plus y into nx minus lz plus z into ly minus mx. Then we write x into mz minus ny plus y into nx minus lz plus z into ly minus mx. That is x dx plus y dy plus z dz divided by the denominator. Here we have mxz, that gets cancelled with the last term. Next we have x ny, here minus x ny plus nx ny, remaining two terms minus y lz plus y lz. So all the terms gets cancelled, so we will get 0. So we write the equation as x dx plus y dy plus z dz equal to 0. On integrating this, x square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus z square by 2 equal to constant, or we write it as x square plus y square plus z square equal to 2c1. So this is u equal to constant. We take u is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Now let us try to find one more multiplier. We can take multiplier as LMN. By taking multipliers LMN, each ratio in equation 1 is L dx plus m dy plus n dz divided by L into mz minus ny plus m into nx minus lz plus n into ly minus x. Here also all the terms gets cancelled. So it will be 0. Now we obtain L dx plus M dy plus N dz equal to 0. On integrating this, we write the solution Lx plus My plus Nz equal to C2, or it is of the form V is equal to constant. The second relation is V is equal to constant, where V is Lx plus My plus Nz. Now, after getting U and V, two relations, U equal to constant and V is equal to constant, we write the general solution as phi of U comma V equal to 0. That is phi of x square plus y square plus z square comma Lx plus My plus Nz equal to 0.